Hello, this is M. Pratibha from A7 batch and I am going to present a seminar on the topic of action recognition using MHI based HU moments with HMMS under the guidance of Dr. H. Chidanand Sir, Professor of CSE Department, RYMEC. These are the contents. First, introduction. Action recognition is an active research area in the computer vision with many important applications including human computer interfaces, content based video indexing, video surveillance, and robotics. The challenge on the identification of the action robustly, regardless of the variation imposed by the appearance of action performed by the different people. The challenge increases when the data is gathered from an outdoor environment, that is, background and the elimination variation. In this project, a hidden Markov model based approach used as a model action using HU movements that are computed using modified motion history image. Next, objective. Conducting an experiment with the short and the long video sequence for robust human activity recognition. Objective of this project is to produce an correct and effective outcome of recognizing a human action based on their behaviors. Literature survey. Wineline provides a survey of the literature on action recognition. They have classified the approaches with respect to how they represent the spatial and temporal structure of actions, how they segment and recognizes the action from the continuous video stream, and how they handle the variation in camera viewpoint. Bobby and Daves evolves the temporal template representation. This representation takes both shape and the motion represented as evolving silhouettes extracted using background subtraction. They compute statistical description of MHI and ME image using moment-based features, where Kale developed a human recognition approach using gates that are computed based on width of their binary silhouettes. The observation probability function is modeled as a continuous distribution. Using HMMS, they made the test on 3 different data sets that recognizes the gates. Martinez proposed a framework for recognition of action recognition from silhouette-based feature sets. Their model relies on two-dimensional modeling for human action based on the motion history image. Wasney model, the emission probability function has a mixture of Gaussian and uses the projection histogram of the foreground mask as their features. Each histogram contains the number of moving pixels for each row and each column of the image frame. HMM framework improves the temporal evaluation of the posture. Next, methodology. The simple features that have a critical value for the motion identification due to first, fast extraction, second, easy interpretation. After generating the MHI of the frame, 7 HU movements were computed and used the moments to model a different action with HMMS. The proposed system is very simple in that the model is based only on these 7 features. Although there are works in the literature that utilizes MHIs, HU moments and HMMS separately. HMM is known as hidden Markov model, that is a finite set of states where each of which is associated with a probability distribution. Transitions among the states are governed by the set of probabilistic called transition probabilistic. In the particular state, an outcome or the observation can be generated according to the associated probability distribution. It is only the outcome, not the state, visible to an external observer, and therefore the states are hidden to the outside. Hence, the name has a hidden Markov model. Hidden Markov models are very convenient for the human motion analysis. Each motion class is trained separately using Bumblicht algorithm with a subset of motion image streams. Then the probability of each test image sequence is calculated by the algorithm to determine the HMM model that gives the highest likelihood probability. Next, the flowchart of the proposed system is depicted in the below figure, where each category of the flowchart, the MHI and the HU moments are extracted after the background subtraction operation. For training, we normalizes the feature using all features for all video categories. Then we use the Blumwich algorithm for training HMMS. During testing, the same feature, that is MHI plus HU moments, are extracted from the test videos and the features that are normalized using same normalization vectors in training. For each category, the model that gives the largest likelihood value is selected for classification. The sample MHIs are depicted in the below figure. The MHI is a scalar valued image such that the pixels that have moved more recently are brighter, that is, the pixel which high intensity value belongs to recent motion, and the pixel that with low intensity value reveals a previously occurring motion over the time. The intensity value of 0 depicts that there is a no detected movement in the particular place in history of the sequence. MHI expresses the motion flow of sequence using the temporal density of each pixel. In the above figure, the first column ADG contains Silhouette's image. The image in second column BEH are MHI that are extracted using classical model. The image in the third column CFI are the MHI that are obtained using scalar based method. The one on the first row ABC belongs to jumping. The second row image DEF belongs to two hands wave, and the last row GHI contains jump in the place. Next, advantage and the disadvantage. Advantage of MHI representation is that the time frame up to a few frames can be coded in a single frame, and the time scale of MHI human motion is covered. Disadvantage is the most of the real world videos have a complex dynamic backgrounds. Those videos as well as the broadcast are recorded in the various and changing backgrounds. Second, the realistic video abound with the conclusions, elimination variations and the viewpoint changes, which makes it harder to recognize the activities in such a complex and various condition. Future scopes. This can be used as a surveillance system in an ATM centers or in the shopping malls or in the banks, where it detects or it recognizes the abnormal activity going on the place and the further action can be taken place as shown in the figure. Conclusion. In this, we present a method that uses a modified MHI as the feature of human motion classification. HU moments are calculated on the generated MHIs and HMMM was used as a classification method. These are the references. Thank you.